In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with controller on VALORANT PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though VALORANT is available on consoles and it has full controller support there, obviously, the game does not recognize controllers when you connect them and use them on your PC. So in order to do this, we need to download an additional tool, which I'm going to be showcasing here in this video. This tool is called WASD. What it does is it detects any controller that you have connected on your PC, and it is going to essentially translate the inputs, and they will mask the inputs from your controller as keyboard inputs. So in short, VALORANT will be able to be played using a controller. You will have to visit their website, so go to WASD.com, and in here you can choose the option to try it for free. Sadly, it is a paid product, so you will have to explore the pricing options and see what is best for you. Now, once you download the tool, you will see that VALORANT has a lot of configs, 469 at the moment, so people clearly use this tool a lot to play VALORANT using a controller alongside other games. So as you can see here, GTA 5, Firelight 84, and so on. Either way, when you open up the tool, make sure that your controller is connected to your PC, and you will be able to create a game profile for VALORANT. So you can start this process by choosing Add Game Profile, and then going through all of the buttons here. If you don't want to map out every single button, so let's say for example you press W, then you move up on the joystick, you press S, you move down on the joystick, and so on, you can browse through controller presets. So you can find presets that other people have made, click on them, and choose the option to import the config. And they will teach you how to do it here. So you will get this read.wasd file, you open the tool, click on the option to import a config to a pre-existing profile, save and apply, and leave this program to run on the background. It is simple to use and it works with many games. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.